M-Stone presents Slimline Stone Laminates Easy Installation Guide. In this video, we will transform this typical blank wall into a beautiful natural stone wall with the help of John. As you can see, Slimline Natural Stone Laminates bear the beauty of natural stone with the flexibility and durability of a laminate. In this installation, John will use 60 by 120 cm size sheets. This is the front and the back part of the Slimline sheet that we will install on this blank wall. In order to install Slimline stone laminates, you will need measuring tape, electric sander, jigsaw cutter, wood saw with carbide or diamond blade, scissor, sandpaper. Ensure that the surface being worked on is dry and clean. Using your measuring tape and a pencil, lightly mark the surface with lines based on length and width of sheets being used. This will serve as an easy guide when installing sheets. Lay sheets on the ground in the same pattern as you would like them on the surface. Mark both the surface and the back of the sheets with corresponding numbers to easily keep track of which sheet is intended for which part of the surface. With the help of measuring tape, ensure that all the markings are done accurately and are on the back side of the Slimline sheet. When cutting Slimline stone laminates, sheets should be handled face down. Slimline can be cut with any woodworking device. When cutting large volumes of Slimline sheets, stone working devices or diamond-bladed tools should be used, as woodworking devices may be subject to wear. For edge-to-edge installation, it is recommended to sand freshly cut edges for tight fit. When installing inside or outside corners, sand edges at 45-degree angles based on their final position in corner. If application surface contains power sockets or other areas that must remain exposed, measure and cut out outline of all the areas that must remain exposed. Using this outline, sketch lines accordingly on the back of the sheet of Slimline. Ensure that all markings are done accurately. Using jigsaw cutter, you can easily cut out a section that matches the area requiring exposure. Make sure to verify that the hole in the sheet matches the area that must be exposed prior to applying to the surface. Holes required for electrical or plumbing purpose can comfortably be made on installed sheets using stone or wood drills. When all planning, measurements and adjustments are done, you can begin applying the adhesive to the back of your Slimline sheet. Ensure that the strands of adhesive are 3 to 5 mm thick and apply to around the edges of the sheet, approximately 1 inch away from the edges. Fill the backing with crossing diagonal lines and fill spaces between those lines with small semicircles of adhesive. You can now easily apply Slimline to the surface using proper contact adhesives that make adjustments quick and easy. Brand such as Loctite Power Grab is a good potential option for adhesive. For installations in moist or wet environment, ensure that the adhesive is waterproof. Now, arrange all the Slimline sheets from edge to edge accordingly to get a perfect Slimline wall. In just a few short steps, you can transform a once mundane surface into an attractive Slimline wall. To enhance the color or to protect the Slimline from staining, apply thin coats of enhancers and protective chemicals. For high wear areas, apply multiple coats according to the guidelines of product being used. Slimline stone laminates can be installed in both interior and exterior applications on virtually any uniform surface. No expensive extraction necessary. Simply flatten the application surface. Thank you for watching the Slimline Stone Laminate Installation Guide. For further information and written guides, please visit our website slimlineveneer.com.